Welcome and Namaste. Dear friends, in today's video we will see a beautiful hill station known as Dharamshala from Himachal Pradesh of India. It is also known as Paradise of Himachal Pradesh. Myself with my friend Sri Devi, we went by road from Delhi to Dharamshala. It is about 476 kilometers from Delhi and it took us about 10 hours to reach there with couple of stopovers. On our way, we stopped over at Kurukshetra. At the entrance of the city, you can see arch with statues of Shri Krishna and Arjuna. This is famous battlefield from Mahabharata where the sacred Bhagavad Gita was first delivered by Shri Krishna to Arjuna. It was almost evening by the time we reached to Himachal Pradesh. Dharamshala lies on the spur of Dhauladhar mountain range in the midst of wild and picturesque scenery. Look at that silver snow. McLeodganj, Bangshu Nag and Kangra are three suburban towns of Dharamshala and they are situated very close to each other. This is Dalai Lama temple complex in McLeodganj and it is also known as Sukhalang temple. It is a spiritual center for Tibetan Buddhists. Once you enter through the gate, you can find a small memorial monument. When Dalai Lama had to flee Tibet, Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru allowed him and his followers to settle in McLeodganj in Upper Dharamshala. Then after, this hillside city became home for Dalai Lama and the Tibetan government in exile. Here you can see monks in red and they're walking around in a strict coordination. There is a large hall inside the temple for people to meditate and there is a library of Tibetan work and archives of precious manuscripts. Dalai Lama visits this temple twice or thrice a year to preach and bless his devotees. Inside the temple, there are statues of Buddhas. This is main statue inside the temple which is sitting on a carved pedestal. Pilgrims walk around the temple in clockwise direction as they rotate the prayer wheels. We also took one round around the temple. Scenery around the temple is mesmerizing. Look at this rainbow. It is looking so beautiful. These are coniferous trees. You feel as if you are in a dreamland. It's really awesome. From here, we went to another spot that is Dal Lake. This is one of the natural lakes on the mountain area of Kangra. You can see coniferous deodar trees around the lake. There is a small Shiva temple here. From this place, we went towards city. Look at this. This is city view. This city is on the mountain. How beautiful it looks. This is city center. Inside the city center, there is Kalachakra temple. Kalachakra means wheel of time. The temple is built as a tribute to Buddha and contains murals and paintings of Avalokiteshwar, of whom Dalai Lama is believed to be an incarnation. This is street market. Here you can see hawkers sitting both sides. They are selling handicrafts and gemstones. We went to another viewpoint which was at the altitude of 1700 meters, and from here you can see beautiful icy mountains. Wow, look at this. This is definitely a picture
Hi Shridevi,
point.
how are you? How are you feeling? Beautiful. You are in icy mountain, right? Yeah. So, like, what are you feeling right now? Great.
Very close to this point, there was International Sahaj Public School and Meditation Center. The education provided in the school is based on teachings of Sri Nirmala Devi, whom all devotees fondly call Sri Mataji. Students learn in English, German language, and they also learn classical music, dance, and instruments. The atmosphere in the ashram was very calm and peaceful. Wow! On our way, we visited one of the Anglican church, St. John's Church in the wilderness. It is built in 1852. And this is famous cricket stadium of Himachal Pradesh. Wow, we had a great time with beautiful nature and icy mountains. It was indeed a paradise. We enjoyed our 2 days in Dharamshala. Hope you too enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned. I'll come up with new video very soon. Yours, Desi Pardesi.